Folks, the American economy is on a dangerous path. The stock market, often a barometer for our nation's economic health, is flashing red. Valuations are at unsustainable highs. This is a bubble, and like all bubbles, it's going to burst. The mainstream media, those lapdogs for the radical left, will tell you everything is fine. They'll say the market is strong, they're lying to you. They're either ignorant or malicious. Don't be fooled, we've seen this before. Remember 2008? Millions lost their homes, their jobs, their life savings. It was devastating. The warning signs are everywhere. The Federal Reserve, the very institution tasked with maintaining economic stability, is asleep at the wheel. They are making the same mistakes that led to previous crashes. They are playing games with our economy, and the American people will pay the price. The Federal Reserve's track record is abysmal. They are responsible for creating and inflating bubbles. Their policies of easy money and artificially low interest rates have distorted the market. They've created a house of cards and it's about to collapse. Remember the dot-com bubble? The Fed pumped money into the tech sector, creating a frenzy of speculation. When the bubble burst, countless Americans lost their retirement savings. Who did the Fed blame? You, the American people. Now they're doing it again. They slashed interest rates to near zero, flooding the market with cheap money. This only benefits Wall Street and the elites. Main Street gets crushed. Inflation is soaring. The cost of living is skyrocketing. The American dream is slipping away. There is a better way. It's time to return to the principles that made America great: limited government, individual liberty, and free markets. These are the core tenets of the MAGA movement. We need to unleash the power of the American entrepreneur. We need to cut taxes, slash regulations, and get government out of the way. The free market, not bureaucrats in Washington, is the best engine for economic growth. We need to restore fiscal responsibility. The reckless spending in Washington is unsustainable. It's driving inflation and devaluing our currency. We need a balanced budget amendment. We need to stop printing money we don't have. So what can you do? How can you protect yourself and your family from the coming economic storm? First, be prepared. Don't be caught off guard like so many were in 2008. Start by reducing your debt. Pay down your credit cards. Don't take on any new debt. Second, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in gold, silver, and other tangible assets. Third, be wary of the mainstream media. They are not your friends. They are mouthpieces for the globalist elites who benefit from your suffering. Get your news from trusted sources who share your values. Remember, we are Americans. We are resilient. We are resourceful. We will get through this, but we must be prepared. We must be vigilant, and we must never stop fighting for the America we know and love.